Yeah, today we will discuss the story of work system design. Okay. Um, Topic for today we will discuss about the history and development of work system design because in this concept, yeah, they have a lot of concept, a lot of tools before. So based on this history, we can analyze, yeah, about the next method depend on this work system design concept. So in part of this class for today, so we will discuss about the historical background and then continue for development of work system design, scope of work system design, and also application of work system design. Before we continue for the next slide, yeah, in work system design, we know the other words, another phrase to discuss about work system design. So if you find literature who discuss about methods engineering, work design, work study, job design, they uh, different. They have a similar meaning. So if we discuss about methods engineering, work design, work study, and also job design, it has this they have a similar meaning between others. So in other discussion, maybe they didn't use work study, but they choose the words mean, yeah, something like methods engineering, work design, work study, and also job design. They have the same meaning. So if we discuss work study, yeah, this is an activity intended to examine principles and techniques in order to develop the most effective work system design. So in work study, we will concern with two aspects, the principles and also techniques to develop the most effective work system design. So we try to adjust the activity based on the motion of the worker. In work study, we focus on two aspects, the principle and also the techniques. Because when we discuss the principles, yeah, for the next, we will concern about the Terblix motion study. In Terblix, they have a 17 motion like this. They try to describe the motion of the activity for the worker in assembly line, in packaging station, yeah, something like that. So in work study, yeah, we will focus on two aspects, the principles and also the techniques. The goals of this, it can be called as effective and then do the things right. Can be, it means efficient. So we concern in two aspects, do the right things and do the things right. Okay, so based on many activity of the worker letters, we can adjust with elimination the activity because we don't need to use this activity because kind of waste, or we try to combine two activities together. For example, when the right hand and also the left hand doing something,
Pakai baju itu.
we can do it together
Jalan.
in the same
Ya,
times.
mas mas.
And sometimes we can rearrange the activity.
Engineering.
So we try to move the first activity to be the second activity and second activity to be the first activity. We can change it. or make it simplify. Yeah. In simplify, sometimes we try to eliminate some of activity or try to eliminate the motion. Not eliminate the activity, but eliminate the motion, something like that. So goals of this design, yeah, we try to eliminate, combine, rearrange, and also simplify the activity of the worker, especially. And it is concern
Takutnya liga udah turun lagi.
to minimize the activity, so we can do the right things more active, more effective, and also more efficient, because we try to adjust to find the best way for the assembly line, for the packaging line, for the based on the case study. In work system design,
Emang nih liga gerak.
we for the reason, I also we discuss about the worker, right? So in this concept, we also concern when we discuss about the workers, so we concern about the labor, because it is a major factor in the cost of products. Without them, we cannot produce some things. So in work system design, we focus on the worker, we focus on the labor. It means we try to improve the labor productivity. If we can improve it, especially for the labor productivity, worker productivity, costs go down, and then the wages go up, and also the profits also goes up. So we try to reduce this the waste. Waste, it means based on the previous slide, we know that we try to eliminate the activity, we try to combine, we try to arrange, we try to simplify. So we try to reduce the waste of the activity of the worker or the labor. This is the concept of the work system design, to make it more efficient and also more effective, based on the motion of the worker, the motion of the labor, because a major factor in the cost of product is labor, especially for the mass production, and then we have a lot of employee there, a lot of worker there, especially for the labor. For the cigarette, for example, for the cigarette company, they use manually to produce the cigarette, for example. They also concern the labor productivity improvement. That's why they try to cost go down, and then the wages go up. When we discuss the waste, the common things is about the 7 ways. What is the 7 ways? This is the type of waste that can eliminate types of waste. So by the work system design, we try to adjust the activity and try to eliminate the waste. What kind of activity? We can concern with this explanation. But in this slide, they said 9 types of waste, because the basic is only 7, but they try to make a detail, so they have a different types, try to improve not only 7 but now to be 9 types of waste. But the basic is only 7, only 7 ways. But now I think now more than 10, I think, as long as I know. Some of literature discuss that they make more than 10 categories of waste, but the basic waste is only 7. So from the 7 to be 9 to be 13 or something. later I think you will study about the waste in another class, in another course. So yeah, in this class, we only study about the basic principles because it is discuss about the history only. So based on work system design, we also uh, we also try to implement, analyze the activity, and try to minimize and try to eliminate the waste. Sometimes we cannot eliminate, but sometimes we can try to minimize. What kind of waste? For the first is about waiting, because sometimes for the activity, especially in the production line, waiting is the common problems. There's of like idle and also delay. And then another type of waste is overproduction. So if we need only 10, please produce only 10, only 10, sorry, not 15 or 20 or something. If we need only 1,000, please produce only 1,000. Because if we produce more, we need more for storage, for warehouse. So considering for this concept, just produce as long as. So the overproduction, it is not a good way. So concern only how many do you know? That's why later you will study about the production planning control, production planning and inventory control. Try to analyze, especially about number of demand. Based on the demand, we can consider about production. We do like forecasting, try to forecast about the how many pieces we should have, we should prepare for the warehouse, for example, like that. So we try to analyze about we try to decide the safety stock. In overproduction, we produce too much. For example, we only need 1,000, but we produce 1,100, something like that. Not only about the overproduction. Another types of waste is about transportation. In transportation, we try to make it more close with others, and then try to minimize about the processing. For example, if we don't need this process, for example, we need like a more packaging for it is. We try to we do not consider about the marketing aspect. For the over processing, for example, if we only need 3 process, we only need 3 process. Do not give more process based on this activity. Concern only the activity that we need. And then about the storage, it is also types of waste. And then the motion, I have explained before that the motion and time study, we consider about the motion. So we try to describe, we try to define one by one about the activity of the worker, about the motion of the worker. So we try to minimize and to eliminate it later. And then for the another waste is about quality defects and rework. So it is for example, they when they try to assembly, when they try to package the product to wrap, for example, fastly, but they have like a rejection part. It will influence quality of product. That's why we need to rework it. But if we have problem about the rework, so we should have it is kind of cost. So we need another activity again to try to rework it, and then we should pay. more. So it is kind of waste. And then another waste is about underutilized human capacity and also lost time. It is a new concept based on the 7 ways to be 9 ways. But now, yeah, as long as I know 13 or something. Yeah, I think you can check later. Some literature.
Berarti mendingan ini apa lantai B?
Okay. Any question?
Nih, bukan kayak kelas biasanya.
Good, Pak.
Oh, good. Okay. So, yeah, I will continue for the next slide. Yeah. Based on this activity, based on the explanation of ways, 7 ways or 9 ways. Now we will discuss about the motion of the time study. So when we discuss motion and time study, we will try to understand about the nature and true cause of work. So in motion and time study, we try to understand the activity of the worker first, and then we try to assist the management in reducing because we try to calculate the standard output, for example. We can calculate the number of workers. So if we can adjust the number of the worker. Yeah, we can reducing unnecessary costs. The motion and time study is about reducing unnecessary costs, and also try to balancing work cell to make work more smoother than before. So balancing work cell to make workflow smoother. Because we concern about the motion, we concern about the activity. Please don't do this. Please do this. Please do this on this about the motion. Yeah, something like that. And then learn the details of work and make improvement. What is improvement? Yeah, we try to eliminate, we try to adjust, we try to simplify the activity. It means improvement. So the improvement not only eliminate, but when we can simplify, it is a part of improvement. So in the motion time study, because we try to minimize the activity, we try to minimize the worker. So the output will be increased, cost will be decreased. In motion time study, we have aspect motion and also time study. When we discuss motion, it's designed to determine the best way to complete a repetition. So the concern for the motion study is about complete, to find the best way to determine the best way to complete a repetition. So for the motion, that's why we try to define one by one.
Jatuh anjir, gue pengen
Down for the activity of the work. Based on this breakdown, so we try to define many elements of the activity. Try to measure the how long it takes, and then try to calculate the average time. How long it takes an average worker to complete task at normal pace. So the concern is about normal pace. So it is a normal. So for example, if we define the time to be slow, normal, and also fast. But in this time study, we concern in normal time. And then, when we understand about the concept of the motion, then we can do time study. So that's why we call motion and time study. Because because we
Mau apa aja?
not only discuss about the motion.
Oh.
After we try to eliminate the
Oh,
activity, the motion,
Di luar ya?
or adjust the motion, we try to
Apa aja?
DTI.
calculate the time, how long it takes.
Gue kayak selalu nyetak deh.
That's why it called motion and time study.
Apa namanya coraknya ya? Iya.
Maksudnya lu yang kasar yang depan gitu.
Dua-duanya.
For the history,
Iya.
for the motion and time study,
Gue bilangnya
there are many
from
researchers.
depan belakang
And,
betul.
Gua nih sama Ahmed.
for the first,
Ngobrolin dua aja.
Frederick
Jadi yang
W. Taylor,
kasar.
Frederick Taylor,
Iya.
and also Frank and Lillian Gilbert.
Bilangnya yang
Then Elton Mayo,
kasar.
continue with
Ahmed bilang lu bilang.
Henry Lawrence.
Tempat yang lain.
Then that's why it called Gantt chart.
Halus.
Iya lu gimana?
And then to be a Toyota production system. This is the history of a motion time study.
Akhirnya ya udah Ahmed, kata Ahmed ya udah di print
Based
gua.
on the previous researcher, for the first based on Frederick Taylor, and then continue for Frank
Banyak banget.
and Lillian Gilbert.
Kayak fisika ya.
That's
Ini bareng-bareng ya.
yeah,
Lu ada lempar foto, lu ada lem nggak?
the initiators of 17
Sama yang fisika sama.
motion
Sama ya?
activity
Kan kok
based on Terblix. It is from Frank and Lillian
pintar.
Gilbert. Terblix, it comes from Gilbert's.
Tuh.
The opposite of Gilbert to be
Tergantung
Terblix.
fotokopi.
That's why it called Terblix motion.
Gue di Pandawa aja.
And then continue with
Pandawa itu.
Mayo, Elton Mayo, and also Henry Lawrence again, and continue for
Iya,
with
terus yang
Toyota production.
Gitu kan?
Iya depan
Lah
orang.
gua print situ.
So the first initiator of motion time study is
Bukan
Frederick
apa yang
W. Taylor.
Taylor.
Or Frederick Taylor,
Bukan yang
the initiator of the time and motion study, then continue with Gilbert.
Ya Ahmed nggak print di situ.
And now we understand about the Toyota production.
Semuanya gitu anjing.
Iya.
Anjing artis dia bocor.
So for the history,
Gue print banyak ya kejar cok. Dan kali kemarin dulu sama lu kali kemarin.
Enak tuh dia kayak nembak harga gitu.
Iya.
Nembak harganya
who is
nembak
Frederick
orang gitu.
W. Taylor?
Awalnya kan ada sini kayaknya lebih deh bukan.
Frederick Taylor
Berapa bulan?
is a father of
Scientific
scientific
kan 70.
management and
Di tahun ini
industrial.
30.000 doang 80.
Kan juga.
Dia nembaknya langsung 80 aja deh.
So the initiator of industrial engineering, also Frederick W. Taylor.
Ya enggak ya.
He is a father of time
Itu
study.
ini praktikum itu
In this concept is on Taylor.
Pasang foto semua.
The objective
Foto semua.
of this concept is on Taylor to regulate
Lo nggak ada lem nggak?
wages and also work output.
Oh,
They concern about the salary. They concern about the
jadi
wages
pasar
and also work output.
biar
The innovation is about stopwatch time study. Why it calls stopwatch? Yeah, because when we try to analyze, calculate the time of the worker when they do something,
Ini
yeah, we use stopwatch.
dua-duanya lo ada
That's why it
yang
called
dua-duanya.
ada juga.
stopwatch time study. In stopwatch time study, compared to the standard time
Iya.
of various method in order to select the most effective
Oh, iya, iya.
one. So, for example, if we have a case study, we try to adjust the activity,
Oh iya, ada.
and then based on maybe we have 2 or 3 methods to produce something,
Fred
and then try to calculate the time, and then we try to compare which one most effective and then the most efficient method.
Coba. Ini gua
That's why it called a stopwatch time study based on Taylor. Then continue
Anjrit lah. Banyak yang
With
bokep semuanya.
Frank and Lillian Gilbert.
Bisa cuy, ganjel, seperti ganjel.
Yo, tebelin dong, karena saya yang tebelin.
Frank and Lillian Gilbert, they have different point of view. They concern not in the time, but they concern for the motion. So Frank and
Ada
Lillian Gilbert
Cok, gua pingin sih.
is parents of motion study.
Dia berapa sih biasanya?
Gilbert
2000
and also Frank and also Lillian, they have a
Iya, biar
um,
Itu
objective
2000
improve
apa?
the working condition by conducting motion. So based on Taylor, they concern in the time,
Kalau bisa kita beli ya.
but for
Beli satu tapi
Gilbert, they concern for the motion.
Yang balik ke motor kan.
They have different point of view. The innovation of this concept is work simplification. They try to simplify the activity, and they have Terblick element, and it called motion
Kalau
economy.
itu dari saya harus habis
So
ya, hari itu juga.
When we use this concept, we concern about the motion.
Dibeli sama
We
kita.
concern about the activity, not concern about the time. But for the teller, they concern about the time. That's why later we discuss about motion and also
Kita kan
time
bagian logistik
study.
jadi langsung aja.
We combine it. But based on the literature,
Nggak ada perbedaan ya.
the first initiator discuss about time. Later they try to
Di tiga kan ada kayak
make
kayak hari
another
ini
point of view,
divisi PR.
concern about the motion based on
Jadi
Gilbert.
dan ini kan
Then continue with
Gue ngikut tuh kalau ada.
Mayo.
si Ramzi
Yeah.
di gym Cok.
Mayo has different point of view again. Yeah, he is a father of human relations
Pedal.
movement.
Nanti gua nggak
Di
ya?
Malang ada nggak sih? Pedal.
They try to improve
Ada. Yang tau gue deh Cok.
in his point of view. The objective of this concept is to investigate the factors affecting the productivity of operators. So they concern about the social needs that can affect employees' attitude. It called Hawthorne studies. It is based on Dr. Mayo. Another point of view, different with Taylor and also Gilbert. In Mayo, yeah, he tried to investigate the factors
Iya.
affecting the productivity. So the concern is about the
Poly.
productivity,
Poly.
number of output,
Despite
number of output of the
Apa sih? Poli
production.
baru. Soalnya poli kan cuman
They have
berapa doang ya?
for the innovation, Hawthorne
IQ.
Ya
studies.
aja.
Concern for the social needs.
respect.
They believe that social needs can affect employee,
Chandra nggak apa teman si Anggo main IQ ya. Chandra
so they try to fulfill
nggak main game
the social need of the worker.
game promo.
For Taylor, concerned with the time. For Gilbert, concerned with the
Dia memang
motion.
ini banget.
But for Mayo, he concerned about
Mau dikasih
Sosial
tapi gue maunya dari awal.
they try to fulfill the social need of the
Wah,
worker.
sama ini Cok nggak bisa Cok.
They have he has a different point of view. This is the history of time and motion study. And then continue with Lawrence Gann chart. They have, he has another point of view again. Based on Gann chart, based on Lawrence Gann, the common theory is about Gann chart. So if you have like a time schedule, it called Gann chart. In Gann chart, try to define one by one the activity, and then another innovation is about industrial efficiency, the task and bonus system, and social responsibility of the business. Henry Lawrence Gann chart, the famous theoretical is about
Ikutin dosen
Gann chart.
selalu.
So we try to define how many activity, how many tasks, and then try to make a timeline
Selalu ya.
for the activity for the process.
Iya.
So it comes in project management
Kalau itu cuy.
because they try to define the time, the pessimist or also sometimes optimist time, pessimist and also optimistic time, but they also have a likelihood. They try to define 3 types of time. And then continue with the last is about Toyota production system. And now, we know that it's known as lean manufacturing. In lean manufacturing, the objective is descent out overburden. It calls muri, and inconsistency it calls mura in Japanese. and to eliminate waste, it calls Muda, developed by Taichi Ono, Shigeo Shingo, and also Eiji Yoda. The examples of TPS principles
Dari
is
Toyota.
continuous improvement, challenge, kaizen, and also Genshi Genbutsu, and also respect for
Rich
people.
Eka.
This is the history of motion and time study in work system design. So based on Taylor, they concern about time, and then Gilbert concerned with the motion, and Mayo he concerned with the social needs, and then continue with Lawrence Gann. He continue about his point of view is about uh, schedule like a Gantt chart, and then try to do like a social responsibility. And when we try to combine each other,
Gas.
it calls
Itu emang
time
pertanda di
motion and time study, and applied by Toyota production system. And in Toyota production system, not only concerned with the previous theory, not only concerned with previous literature, but they try to modify to be a continuous improvement, and then respect for people. If we do like if we concern with time, if we concern with motion, if we concern about the social needs, and then we do a continuous improvement, we can respect for people, especially for the worker in the production line.
anjir.
That's why this is it called the history of the work system design. Okay.
Pak, I have a question, Pak.
Any question?
Yeah, based
Yeah,
on
Satria.
based on all of this historic for work system design, what principles are we applying into this world? Is it like combining all of the principles that like Toyota and other inventors?
Yeah. In work system design, we combine both of them, especially for the Taylor and also Gilbert. Taylor discuss about time study. Gilbert discuss about motion study. Yeah.
Okay.
So we try to combine. When we try to combine, that's why we can calculate about the number of the output, and we can calculate number of the workload of the worker. That's why if we concern about the workload, we also concern about the social aspect, and also we try to concern about how to respect the people, especially respect for the worker. So the workload could be decreased,
Anjir.
not increase, but decrease. But maybe for the salary we can increase it.
Alright.
Try to make an improvement based on our activity, based on our point of view for the time and also motion. Understand what I mean, Satria?
Yeah, Pak. Thank you, Pak.
Okay, I will continue for the concept for the work study now.
Konsep.
Yeah, what is work study? So when we discuss work study, in work study we have a basic element for the work study.
USD.
For the first, about the concept of attaining work efficiency. So the concept of attaining work efficiency, we focus on generate work procedure. So in time study, in work study, we can focus on how to generate work procedure that are more systematic and follow a logical order. That's why later, for example, in the line production, in the production line, we can generate a kind of standard operating procedure how to do, especially for the assembly, for the wrapping or something else. So we try to generate a work procedure that are more systematic and follow a logical order. And then another basic element is about concept of human behavior. Oh, sorry, belum tak. Yeah,
Mampus.
we try to find the factors which influence the worker behavior to create work satisfactions, and also we try to fulfill what they need, and then try to
Combine.
improve
Input.
the quality of the worker environment or the work environment, physic and also non-physic. So the basic element we consider about two aspects. Or the first, attaining work efficiency, try to generate the procedure with a systematic and follow a logical order, and then try to fulfill the worker needs.
Anda.
It is the concept of human behavior based on two concerns. Later,
Human behavior sama
this is
attaining step. Economics. Nation study economic
the
motion.
steps how to do a work study. For the first, we try to understand first about the principles of work method design. In this part, we should understand first about the ergonomics. That's why in this semester, for the student, not only study about work system design, but you should study about ergonomics. It is a mandatory course for you. And then when understand about the ergonomics, that's why we can try to combine between ergonomics and also work system design concept to be the whole things it calls ergonomics and work study
Human factor.
and work system design.
And
It is a whole part. And then the principle of work method design also discuss about motion study and economy motion. It is depend on the Terblick's concept. And then not only about principle of work method design, we also consider about techniques of work measurement.
only talk that
In technique and work measurement, we try to adjust the time, we try to adjust the activity like the effort, and then try to concern with the psychological and also sociological impact measurement.
sociology and
Based on this principle, we have alternative designs. So the designs is not only one. It's called alternatives. So we have more than one scenario.
skena aja.
So we try to create. This is the first method. This is the second method, and then we try to compare each other. Comparison between the time, and then we find the best alternative. Based on the best alternative, we hope that the productivity will be increased, and we can create a higher productivity.
And
This is the basic concept of work study. Try to create a higher productivity based on the method, based on the technique, based on the time, and we create alternative of designs, and then try to decide the best alternative of the best method of this activity.
wah. Gak kira siapa. Gak kira ada orang.
And then after this, we have two point of view. Sorry for Ahmed, I will change the bahasa to be in English later, and then I will send to you. For the first, based on the Satria question before, so we concern with two aspects. in work system design. For the first about the method,
Ustaz jangan lupa.
and then for the second about the time. So method and also time study.
Hitam juga.
About the motion and time study. That's why based on Taylor and also for Gilbert, yeah, we try to combine it to be motion and also time study. Motion based on Gilbert and time depend on Taylor. And we hope, yeah, the productivity will be increased. Yeah. Yeah, this is another part. I think the same slide. I think it's, the same explanation, similar explanation. So work study and analysis and design. Yeah, it concern for the first about the method,
Kasar banget, Cok.
and then for the second
Maksudnya kayak
concern with
waktu tapi
the work measurement.
kasar anjing.
It is concerned with time.
Dia kalau sampon gimana anjing? Lurus ya.
In method study, we try to improve the methods of production and resulting in more effective use of material and power, machine and method plan, and equipment working environments.
Anjay.
So for the work measurement, it is depend on the time. Time concerned with to assess human effectiveness, and then making possible improved planning and control manning, and as basis for sound incentive schemes. So that's why when we try to combine between method and also work measurement, also time study, we also concerned with the incentive schemes. So we have a standard how to decide the salary, how to decide the wages of the operators, because we have standard. Before, we don't have any standard to decide how to give like a salary or incentive or bonus or something like that. Based on this work system design, yeah, we can use this method to be a basic of decision. I think to make a decision how many standard, and then based on this standard, we can decide about the salary, about the wages of the worker. So it is concerned with the incentive scheme. If we have a standard about it. And then in another point of view, yeah. A work system is deemed efficient when the task can be completed in a short amount of time with minimal physical effort and with the least possible psychological and sociological impact. So concerned with this, yeah, we study about the work system design. Try to concern with effectiveness and also efficient activity. So concern with the activity and concern with the time. That's why motion and time study. Motion concern with the method, and the time study concern with measurement of the time of the element
Method.
of the activity.
Method.
Yeah. So in this case, yeah, if we study work system design later, yeah, we will discuss one by one. We can apply this concept for many types of point of view, for many types of project based on plan facilities layout, for example. We can apply work system design. And then in work system design, we also need another point of view based on physical anthropology and also method study, time study and job analysis, maintainability, also concerned with the work system designs. for the work system design, human relation and behavioral sciences also need to, they have like a role. They have the role of the work system design. Because in work system design, we not only need about the method study, we not only need about the work measurement, but we need others. We need concept about the human relation, we need concept of industrial psychology, and also we need the occupational safety and health concept to apply it. And then we need work physiology and also biomechanics, and also we have a lot based on the specialties, based on the specialist, sorry. So we try to combine each other. That's why later, if you study plan and facilities layout, you can apply this concept also. Because when we try to arrange the layout, so the times could be different, could be changed, and then we try about the efficiency of the process. Yeah, that's why uh, each concept, also give uh, like yeah, they have the rule for the work system designs. Yeah, I think it's the same slide. Any question? Yeah, this is the end of the slide, I think, for today. Because I only want to I want to explain about the history first. Later for the next meeting, we can continue for the next part of the work system design.
Enak.
Pilih yang kaji.
Coba.